mas credible si Bryce kaysa Diskaya. Bakit gano'n? Why are we trying to prejudge this? Hindi, Mr. President, we're still in the process of investigation. If we are in the process of investigation,
why are
then
you
we
so
should not
protective?
judge.
Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan, Mr. Chair. Pwede ba natin i-record ito? Palagi niyo sinasabi, I am protective of the Diskaya. When I was chairman of this committee, sinabi ko na sa inyo, the only remedy provided under the law is for them to apply if they qualify under the process of witness protection program. That's all what I did.
Session is resumed. Session is resumed. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
I am questioning the proceedings, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
Go ahead, go ahead.
I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of this proceedings. If you will not allow me to raise this point, maybe in the plenary this afternoon I will raise it.
Go ahead. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed with your statement.
Your Honor, okay lang po bang makapagbigay ako ng opening statement po?
Proceed, proceed.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Tinatanggap ko po na ako po ay hindi nakasaguhan sa maraming tanong mga nakakaraang huling araw upang maproteksyonan ang institusyon na aking manahal sa loob ng 30 taon. Subalit, itong mga nakang araw, ako po ay nakapag-isip-isip na tumulong na lamang po sa investigasyon na to para po sa bayan. Narito po ako sa harapan niyo ngayon upang tumulong ng buong puso abot ng aking makakaya